Hey guys, now with ChatGPT4 out, let's see what it can do for us in conjunction with the low-code tool. So after logging in, we see this default view here, which is just a basic example dashboard in our demo environment. It's built using the typical patterns you all know, composed up of building blocks, hierarchical stuff, a few React components, a bit of Material UI, and so on. Where it gets impressive though is when we start using a template, right? So in this example, we're picking a simple template that creates two layers of navigation. The first layer having a button, which we can use to go to the second layer. Both of the layers have views with some text on it, some headings, some paragraphs. And here we can also see the resulting navigation tree. So wouldn't it be awesome if we could tell ChatGPT to create something like this for us instead of having to put it all together ourselves? Well, I tried and this is what was the result. I gave ChatGPT this description here. A case is actually just an application in our low-code platform CaseOS. I told it to create 3 main navigation routes, each having a heading containing some text, plus a button to go to the sub-route of each of the 3 main routes. Second, on the nested level, I want a smaller heading with some content and also another paragraph, plus a back button, which brings me back to the main parent route of this child route. So let's jump right into ChatGPT. I'm selecting the GPT4 model here. I gave it some instructions really about how the template usually looks like by giving it an example of the previous template I showed you. I also added some rules it had to follow because by only handing in the demo template it didn't quite understand a few things. And last but not least, I entered the prompt I just showed you. This is what it produced. It actually took some time. I don't know if it's because I'm not paying the real subscription or anything. I'm a ChatGPT Plus customer. Maybe it's also just the traffic currently. Now it's done. Let's copy over the produced output, which is in the format of our domain-specific language for the local platform, and paste it. As you can see, it immediately loads the whole app. It creates the sidebar item for this case, for this application. It has the elements I asked it to create. It has the button. It can jump back and forth between the layers. If I click on the preview of the navigation tree, I can see it has created all the 3 layers I asked for. It has created all the 3 main routes I had asked for, plus a child route for each. Yeah, it worked. And it was like 3 minutes of work, plus tweaking the input prompt a little bit, another 2 or 3 minutes, and there you go. We have our little app running in the low-code platform. Now it's up to me to do some further tweaking. I added a few images, for example, just to see if everything works as expected. Yeah, that's an awesome experiment proving that ChatGPT can not only create full projects, full code, but also domain-specific languages, template languages that can then be used in tools like this one here, the low-code platform CaseOS. Cool, so thanks a lot for watching and see you soon. Bye-bye.